And now, First Warn 5 weather with meteorologist Samara Kokinos.
On this Tuesday morning, we're waking up with a few clouds overhead. Your time is 6:43. Temperatures are mild outside, mid to lower 70s and upper 60s. There's a little bit of patchy fog out there for your early morning commute. So as we put your visibilities on the board, you'll notice anywhere between about 4 and 10 miles. 4 miles mainly in McAllen and Edinburg, out near Rio Grande City, closer to 5 miles visibility. This will last through about mid-morning, and then after that, we'll have a good amount of sunshine on the way. So let's look at your day planner to see exactly how warm it's going to get. We'll go up from 70 degrees to 87 by noon. 90 is your forecast high, and then we're back to 84 for your drive time home. So yes, it's going to be a warm day, but let's take a look here at the records versus the actual forecast. So the records in McAllen, Weslaco, Brownsville, and Harlingen, upper 80s and low 90s, and the forecast gets pretty close to that. McAllen, you're going to be right around 92 today, flirting with record high temperature of 93. Harlingen will be closer to 88, flirting with your record of 89. Brownsville and Weslaco look to stay a few degrees away from the record, so it's not going to be one of those days that we saw yesterday where we saw multiple cities breaking records, but there could be a couple out there that may tie. Here's the setup across Texas. We have this stationary boundary that'll continue to fizzle out, so it's really not going to do much. But behind that, we have this cold front that's draped just outside the Panhandle. That front will eventually arrive in the valley, and it is going to bring some changes with it. It's going to arrive late tonight, early tomorrow morning. You'll notice the winds will pick up behind that front. We could see a few coastal showers that'll stream mainly along the coast, but I think for the most part that chance is pretty slim, near 10 and 20% at this point. The rest of the valley will be dry. And then the cold front will move through. We'll have a nice little slight cool down. And then by the end of the work week, cloudy skies with showers return with the next approaching cold front. It'll take its time getting here, so we'll have a few days with rain and extra cloud cover overhead. But check out their dew point values this morning. I want to show you this. We're in the upper 60s and low 70s, so that's kind of borderline muggy to very humid. But look at this forecast as we put future track in motion starting at 6 this morning. Of course, it'll remain in the upper 50s and upper 60s and low 70s until Wednesday afternoon. Look at this, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Our dew point values have dropped to the 20s and even mid 30s out there, so it'll feel nice and dry. It's going to be a lot less humid, and that is key when you have temperatures in the 70s, to making it feel a little bit more comfortable. Until then, we have to get through the muggy weather. It'll be right around 90 today. Of course, the upper valley getting a little bit warmer, near 93 in Rio Grande City, while the coast stays in the mid 80s. Again, above average, we'll have south-southeast winds at 6 to 12 miles per hour. Later on tonight, fog is possible ahead of this cold front, so don't be surprised if you see it thicken up, and then the winds pick up behind that front early tomorrow morning, so it'll clear it out pretty quickly. Overnight lows will bottom out right around 62. Here's your First Warn 5 7-day forecast. We'll rebound to 78 tomorrow. It'll be breezy and it'll feel cooler, a lot less humid than today. And then by Thursday, mostly sunny skies with 78. We'll stay right around 78 for Friday, 77 by Saturday. We have a few extra clouds in the forecast, and we could even see a good amount of rain headed our way. I'm talking about 40 to 60% chance for showers Friday into Saturday. By Sunday, gradual clearing will occur. That front definitely making an appearance there. So you notice they'll go from 77 to 53 that night to 71 Sunday. So we do have that little cool down, then we're back to 75 with mainly dry conditions on Monday and plenty of sunshine. Overnight lows on Sunday night will be the chilliest there, 49 degrees. Until then, we're looking at 50s and 60s. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.